In this video, we will learn how to install WordPress on Hostinger. Firstly, you need to log into your Hostinger account. I have already logged in, then click on Hosting. On the following page, you will find list of all of your websites. Then you need to locate the website on which you would like to install the WordPress. If you don't know how to add website in Hostinger and do the name server configuration, you can watch this video. Then click on Manage. Now let's visit our website, and as you can see, a dummy page is currently installed, which will be replaced by WordPress. Now on the edge panel on left side bar, you need to click on Website. Under Website, you get multiple options such as WordPress to install WordPress directly, use auto installer, import website, migrate website, and bunch of other options. You need to click on auto installer. Then on the following page, you need to choose the first option, which is WordPress. Then you need to enter the following details. No need to enter any details in advanced option. Just enter the website title, the working administrator email, it can be an email, the username and password. Make sure to keep these details safe, which will be used on next process. Click on Next. Then keep all settings to recommended and choose your preferred language here. Then click on Install. Now the installation is completed and it's giving us an option to force HTTP protocol and install SSL. So you can simply click on Install, and if you don't have SSL in your package, you can get free in the description. So you just need to click on Install SSL. I will not, because we already have one from Cloudflare. So let's visit our website again and refresh it. As you can see, the WordPress is now installed. Go on to the following URL to log into your website. Then type in the login information to log into your WordPress website. So the WordPress is successfully installed on Hostinger. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe.